Hey there, aspiring moguls! If you're looking to build wealth from ground zero, you've come to the right channel. We will unravel the journey of turning nothing into something spectacular, with no gimmicks or shortcuts. This is Foxfire Finance, and we are committed to spreading the great news and concepts of the FIRE movement to anyone dreaming of a better life. We aim to help you achieve your goals by providing meaningful tips and strategies that will bring you closer to your dreams of financial independence and retiring early. But first, don't forget to burn that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be updated on our latest releases to guide you on your way to FIRE. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Mindset is everything. Our journey begins inside our heads. Understand that wealth isn't about having piles of cash, it's about mindset, knowledge, discipline, and continuous growth. Embrace a growth mindset that allows you to see challenges as opportunities. Saying that millionaires are simply people with bulging bank accounts is misleading. In his book, The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley found that many millionaires are frugal savers and careful investors rather than big spenders. More than having money, they have a particular mindset geared towards growing and preserving their wealth. If you're planning to build your fortune starting from zero, you have to make sure that you have the right mindset as you begin this journey. Step 2. Invest in yourself. Starting from scratch, your prime investment should be in yourself. In today's digital era, the wealth of free educational resources is staggering. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, online users can access over 10,000 massive online open courses from universities worldwide. Leveraging these resources is pivotal. Your knowledge reservoir not only expands your horizons, but also enhances your wealth-building opportunities. Embrace this era of abundant information, because with every new skill and insight, you unlock a plethora of openings in the modern economy. Step 3. Save before you earn. Sounds odd, right? But the idea is to develop a saving habit. Every cent counts. So when you start earning more, you'll already have the discipline to save a chunk of your earnings. In practical terms, it mirrors the popular pay yourself first strategy. At its core, this idea suggests that before even receiving income, you should allocate a portion of it for savings. This method transforms savings from an afterthought to a priority, ensuring a healthier financial future and fostering a mindset of living within one's means. Step 4. Hustle and side gigs. Side hustles, once seen as mere additional income sources, have evolved into significant avenues for wealth accumulation today. Earning extra from additional streams of revenue can also serve as buffers during economic downturns or job losses. Beyond immediate cash inflow, side ventures can even evolve into full-fledged businesses. Jeff Bezos started Amazon as a small online bookstore from his garage. Today, it's a trillion-dollar company. There is always more to save if you're getting more cash inflow, so better consider getting yourself a part-time job as soon as now. Step 5. Get creative with bartering. Cash flow may be limited, but your skills aren't. Barter your expertise for something you need. It's an age-old practice that can save you money and open doors to new connections. By offering your specialized skills, be it writing, graphic design, consulting, or any other talent, you can acquire services or products you need without monetary transactions. For example, a web designer might build a site for a baker in exchange for a year's worth of pastries. Not only does this save immediate cash outflows, it also fosters community ties and encourages mutual appreciation of individual talents. Additionally, such exchanges can lead to word-of-mouth recommendations, expanding your professional network. Bartering is not so bad after all, huh? Step 6. Go minimalist. Minimalism is more than an aesthetic, it's a lifestyle. By focusing on necessities and cutting out excesses, you can save more. Plus, items collecting dust can be sold, offering you a financial boost. By restricting unnecessary purchases, savings naturally accumulate. Moreover, the tidying process can unveil items no longer serving a purpose. Instead of allowing them to deteriorate, selling these items can add a welcome inflow of cash. Thus, minimalism not only declutters one's space, but also offers a way to bolster financial well-being. Step 7. compounding knowledge and investments. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, growing with every turn. That's compounding. The more you learn and the smarter you invest, the bigger your wealth snowball becomes. This isn't just about interest on principal, but interest on interest, amplifying growth. Similarly, with each nugget of knowledge gained, your capacity to make informed decisions enhances. The cumulative effect? A rapidly growing wealth snowball. Step 8. Network, network, network. In our modern hyper-connected era, the adage, "it's not what you know, but who you know," has never been more relevant. Cultivating genuine relationships isn't just about building up your contacts list, but creating authentic connections grounded in trust and mutual respect. By seeking mentorships, you open doors to invaluable wisdom and guidance that can speed up your growth. Furthermore, in this collaborative age, partnerships often yield greater results than solo endeavors. When two or more individuals bring unique skills to the table, their combined efforts can create synergies, leading to outcomes that surpass what they could achieve individually. Step 9. Avoid bad debt. There is good debt and there is bad debt. Good debt is purposeful and strategic. It's an investment that has the potential to generate higher future returns. For example, taking a loan to pursue education or buy real estate can amplify future earnings or asset value, which now turns the borrowed funds into a beneficial lever for growth. Conversely, bad debt is characterized by its diminishing returns and high costs. High-interest credit card balances epitomize this. They can quickly spiral, eroding financial stability without offering any future-enhancing benefits. Such debts become constant drains on one's financial resources. The key lies in discernment. Borrowing isn't inherently negative, it's how and why you borrow that dictates its impact. Lastly, step 10. Stay patient and persistent. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small victories and learn from setbacks. Consistency is key, and with each day, you'll be a step closer to your financial goals. In conclusion, you must know that your journey to wealth is not determined by where you start, but by the steps you consistently take. Every empire starts with a simple brick. Lay yours with intention, discipline, and passion. Did you find this video helpful? If this guide lit the spark for your wealth journey, then burn that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how you can reach your financial goals. Until next time, we are Foxfire Finance and keep that fire burning.